What if the single most valuable thing your business owns is not your product, not your logo, and not even your website? It is something invisible. It is trust. And in the next 2 minutes, you will learn exactly how great brands build it from the very first moment a customer meets them. Let us get into it. Think about trust like a first date. You would not propose marriage in the first 5 minutes, right? Unless you want a very awkward dinner. Trust is built in small moments, consistently over time. And the best brands in the world understand this deeply. So how do they do it? Here is the key insight. Trust is not built through big promises. It is built through small, kept promises. Step 1 is be crystal clear about who you are. Great brands never try to be everything to everyone. Think about Apple. From day one, they said we make beautiful, simple technology for creative people. That is it. Clear, specific, and consistent. When a brand knows exactly what it stands for, customers feel safe because they know exactly what to expect. Step 2 is show up before you ask for anything. Imagine you own a small gym. Instead of immediately shouting, "Buy our membership," you post free workout tips every week. You answer questions online. You share real member stories. You give first. This is called value-first marketing, and it signals to people that you actually care about them, not just their wallet. Step 3 is be honest, especially when things go wrong. Here is a fun fact. Customers actually trust brands more after a mistake is handled well than brands that never made a mistake at all. Wild, right? Owning your errors and fixing them fast turns skeptics into superfans. Step 4 is stay consistent everywhere. Your social media, your emails, your packaging, your customer service. If your Instagram is warm and fun, but your support team sounds like a robot reading a legal document, that gap destroys trust instantly. Here is your big aha moment today. Trust is not a feeling you create with a tagline. It is a reputation you build. One small, honest action at a time. So remember this. Great brands build trust by being clear, giving first, owning mistakes, and showing up consistently. Start today, not someday. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Marketing School for more free marketing lessons. Next week, we are answering the question every business owner secretly worries about. How do you stand out when your market is completely crowded with competitors?